Hi, good morning, everybody. Well, afternoon, actually, barely. Anyway, hope everybody's doing good out there. Um, Today, we're gonna start working on getting my mill set. So I got a little dirt work to do, cut and fill. Where I'm gonna put it for now is kind of on a slope, so I want to get that fairly level, and then I got the timbers that I cut up on it after I got it that we'll set on the ground and get them leveled up, get the 4x4s on, and we'll get the mill set on that. So come along and join the journey, see how it goes. I will be back here in a minute. Hey everybody. Well, my battery died on the camera yesterday when I was finishing up the mill. Well, it's not quite finished, but we did get it set. You can see behind me there. So I didn't get the whole process, but I'll show you what we did. So I got all the cross pieces, those 3x beams basically set there and leveled up, and then basically lagged those 4x4s onto it with some big log type screws, and those 4xs had a little warpage in them from drying out, but after getting the mill set on here yesterday and having it sit, we tightened up all the legs and got them all having pressure on it. I can trim these ends off here a little bit. Sorry about the wind. We can see here that's pretty solid on there. I can tighten up a little bit. That one's loose now. So it looks like this all moved a little bit overnight. But yeah, so it's set. All I got to do now is just level it up with the legs and be ready to go. We're supposed to have rain and snow for the next couple days, so I probably won't run it much, but at least it's here and set up and ready to go. Got Paula up there hauling some firewood up to the house. She's getting ready to block all that up this evening and do some splitting and stuff while I'm at work. But anyway, just wanted to finish that off and show you what we did there. I was planning on getting out here and getting it leveled up tonight or this afternoon before I went to work, but that didn't happen. It's hot out. We didn't feel like getting outside much, so. But here in the next few days, we might be able to get some video cutting up some aspen or something. Got a pretty good jag of wood sitting over here that we can cut up, so. Ah, there comes the wind. Hope it's not messing with the mic much. I'll probably bring in some more dirt, maybe some rock or something. Kind of bed those beams in there a little bit. And get a little more solid so it doesn't move. I'm going to stake it down with you. I'll show you that when I do that. But anyway, hope everybody's doing good out there and being kind, making somebody smile. So have a great day, everybody. Thanks for subscribing. Love the comments. We'll see you on the next one. 307 out.